This is mad.
Yeah. Look, when I step on the shit, I make it dance. She said I make it fresh. Angidlali kanjalo, mina I'm making cash. Ngiphethe ne-wash, I don't need no dash. I don't need no dash. I'm a product of my work, ngazongikhuluma kanjalo. I told her pull up, by the time akudlala uzalo. I be grinding on my life like ngihlezi ngifaka umzamo. I be grinding on my life like ngihlezi ngifaka umzamo. I can never go back, that life got a full stop. Engikhula nabo, they know frowning never miss. I used to smoke lean, bese ngifuna nama-drugs. As I get older ngenza izinto bese ngijabulisa. I don't really care, I don't like niggas. You never saw a bitch claim to be Jesus. I look the way I've came, I'm like damn yes. I nearly died, ngibonga umdali thank Jesus. Do you know the struggle of intwana encane esuke eKasi? I used to wear my granny's tears and say inkosi. I got to see this day ending ngibonga inkosi. I seen every day kodwa ngihlezi ngibonga inkosi. I'm a rapper, a trapper, I make niggas go step up 10 toes down, ngime phezu kwebusiness. I'm a preacher, a rider, I make my niggas step up 10 toes down, they no frowning never miss. The doors never close, only if you has limit. I like going up, I mean sky's the limit. I hate to stop smoking like bekumele ngimise. I hate to stop bad, this my life was on the line. My life was on the line, yeah. My life was on the line.
What have you done?
I hate to stop bad, this my life was on the line. Yeah, my life was on the line. Yeah, my life was on the line, bitch. Yeah, my life was on the line. My life was on the line. My life was on the line.